Hello, Kendall here. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Mac Mini into Sonnet's RackMac Mini. You can see an air dam on the right-hand side. We'd remove it if we were installing two Mac Minis, but today we'll just be installing one, so we'll put it on the left side. First, just loosen these two screws. Second, remove these three other screws and set them aside. Remove a screw from here. Rotate the cover up. You'll notice two rubber strips. These will secure your Mac Mini. Slide in the Mac Mini and rotate the cover back down. Make sure the power switch couplers are clear and the USB cables fit through the slot. Push down on the cover to compress the rubber strips while replacing the three screws you removed earlier. Tighten the two other screws you loosened earlier. Plug in the front panel USB cable. If you only install one Mac Mini, you may want to apply the included sticker over the left disc opening. This sticker prevents people from accidentally inserting a disc into the empty bay. Just remove the backing and place it over the disc opening. That's all there is to it. Your Mac Mini is securely mounted.